camping here because the weather sucks. Not really. It was supposed to suck, but we'll go tomorrow morning. Welcome to Kris's shop. It's currently 7:48 and I'm hungry, so I'm gonna make a hot pocket in my new stove and oven that I got for Christmas. The fire unfortunately went out, but we do have another propane tank that will hook up. So far it has not rained a drop. But from what we understand, the national forests are being hammered right now, which means when we go out tomorrow, the creeks will be filled. Let's make me some hot pockets, and maybe Kris if he wants one. Hot pocket. You hear that? It's finally raining. And it's getting harder and harder and harder and harder. At least the creeks will be filled. It is 10:30 and it has not dropped anything. It is still, what, 60 degrees. Mm-hmm. And we're hearing that it's going to be ice and snow and rain and wind and everything but hot tomorrow when we go to the woods. So yeah, that'll be fun. But I'm staying up till midnight because it's the New Year's, and I also have some news to share with y'all. So when it comes time, I'll share that with y'all. So stay tuned. Well guys, Happy New Year. It is currently midnight in Arkansas right now, and I'm excited to announce that I have partnered with Long Creek Overland, a merchandise company here in Arkansas, and I am officially a partner with Long Creek Overland. So go check out their website, and you can go buy some Eagles Overlanding shirts and hoodies. Eventually I'll be adding some stickers too. But be sure to check that out. Go support this awesome channel that we have, and Happy New Year. It's raining hard outside right now. It wasn't doing anything last night. We're gonna make some breakfast. I slept really good though. We're gonna have some biscuits and gravy. I think we're going camping again, but I don't know. It's supposed to get like really freaking cold. What, 15 degrees, snow, ice?
Yeah. Yeah, it's gonna get a little cold. We got an Arctic blast blowing in. So right now you can actually be outside in your t-shirt, but later tonight, I don't think I have enough clothes with me.
Yeah, I have a hoodie and that jacket.
Oh, I brought my winter jacket and I have a diesel heater. Yeah. And I have a cat. It'll keep me warm too.
I got a fire
Anyway,
pit.
eat some breakfast.
Definitely been an interesting trip. It ain't been a trip. Camping in a shop. We're gonna pack up. Breakfast was good, and we are going to head to the woods. We're just gonna tough out the cold. It's supposed to snow, ice, everything. Supposed to, but it's Arkansas. You never know what's gonna happen. It's not raining right now. It's kind of stopped, but I think it's gonna clear out completely around 2. But we're going to go to a spot that's below Mount Magazine here in Arkansas. And, yeah, so let's get packed up. Forgot to say that this may be the last night I sleep in this tent. You'll have to subscribe and keep watching my videos to find out why. So yeah, stay tuned.
Yeah, I don't think this is the right spot because we're 1 minute away. There's no way. Oh, hey, look at here. We're officially in Mount Magazine.
There's a dirt road that was passed. Well, Kris is lost. We ended up entering Mount Magazine.
No, I think Google went retarded and totally changed where we were supposed to go. No, this is not the right spot, dude. I'm gonna have to pull over at this scenic byway. It's literally telling me right now to the right is where my spot is. So Google's lost its freaking mind.
Alright, I'm gonna go get out and see what is up. What's happening?
I don't know. It's
Are we lost?
a little bit.
So Google has lost its mind. But you found this dirt road, which was not too far from where it said to turn.
Yeah, the bad thing is, so look, we're right here right now. And we need to be, well, it's not working real good right now. Oh, here, let's see here. This will work better.
Head west on Arkansas 309 toward Red Bench Road.
We found the spot, but we're 27 minutes away from it, so that's how far off we were. Yeah, he's sending me the coordinates so I can follow. But check this out. We also installed some rock lights. So yeah, fun. Let's get to camp before it gets cold.
on.
If it wasn't flowing that hard, we could definitely cross it, but it's flowing pretty hard.
Yeah, if it washes me off the side of that thing, I'm screwed.
So it's a bust, huh?
I don't want it to be a bust, but I guess it is a bust. Well guys, we have hit a, what would you call this?
A water block.
A water block. So our camp is up that road that we were going to go to, and we both don't feel like driving forever. So I think we're going to make the tough decision and go home and sleep in some warm beds.
It's already like 3:30. By the time we get somewhere, it's gonna be late. I don't know. It's just.
Not to mention, we're dealing with possible cold, very bad cold weather coming in. And we would be waking up to 15 degrees. So, we're probably just going to take this as a sign that we just need to turn around, go home, and enjoy the rest of the weekend with the families. So, anyways, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Go subscribe to FastRack Overland. And, check out Long Creek Overland. You can get yourself some shirts, some hoodies, and I will see you in the next video.